in for 3 5-minute rounds of professional rules mixed martial arts action for the UIC Lightweight Championship. Introducing to you first, ready for war in the blue corner. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing officially at 70.5 kilos. At 32 years of age, his record inside the cage stands at 8 victories with 5 defeats. Coming to us representing Trojan Free Fighters! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the challenger, Mark Suplex Allen! And now, introducing the champion, ready for war in the red corner. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing officially at 70.2 kilos. At 32 years of age, his record inside the cage stands intact, 3 victories with no defeats. Coming to us representing 4-7